Hi children, today we are going to do an experiment for controlled pollination and it will be only a spotter for your exam, even though we are doing it as to teach you how it is conducted. Okay. Now for that we need the plant, potted plant, and then a polythene paper, forceps, a paper to write the details, and then thread to tie the materials. Okay. So, the process of controlled pollination is done in three steps. First one is emasculation, and then bagging, and then tagging. Emasculation is the process of removal of anther from a bisexual flower. Okay. For that we need a closed flower or a bud. From that we have to remove the anther using a forceps. Okay. And the next process, this is emasculation is done to control the self pollination in a bisexual flower and to promote the cross pollination. Okay. Let us start. Now we can open the bud. Should be careful while doing this. See, now we can see the flower. Inside that anther and stamen is present. From this we have to remove only the anthers. Okay. Carefully you have to remove the anthers. Does not harm, it should not harm the plant. And no other part should be harmed while doing this. All the anthers should be removed. Now the flower is completely emasculated. It is not having any anther in them. We have to do the cross pollination using another flower of the same plant. We have to, for that we have to dust the pollen grains from the flower to the emasculated flower stigma. Okay. For that we are using the brush to take the pollen grains. So, the pollen grains will be attached here. Now we have to place it on the stigma of the emasculated flower. Okay. Now the process is completed and we have to close it, and the next step is to bag the emasculated flower using a polythene cover. Bagging is done like this. The flower must be completely isolated. You can make pores in the polythene bag in order to give aeration for the flower. This is a process known as bagging. Okay. It is tightly bagged. Now we have to tag it. Tagging means labeling when, where and who have done this process. Okay. For that we have to take a piece of paper and write the name of the breeder who have done this process, and then you have to write the date and time when it is when the process is conducted, and then have to write the name of the plant. You have to write the scientific name of the plant. Now you can write. Okay. It is written like this and you have to tag it. Okay. Now the process tagging is completed. So, we have done this experiment for controlled pollination, to control self pollination and to promote the cross pollination process. And here we have done emasculation, bagging and then tagging. Emasculation is the process to remove the anther from a bisexual flower, and bagging is a process to completely isolate this emasculated flower in order to prevent the cross pollination from other flowers. Okay. And then the last step is tagging. In the tag we have to write the name of breeder, date of the process have done, and then the time, and also the name of flower or the plant. Okay. Thank you.